Okay, so today we are going to change oil in my motorcycle. It's a 2007 Yamaha V-Star 1300 motorcycle. To change the oil, you need some clearance. It's a cruiser motorcycle, so it has about 5 inches clearance from the ground. You need to raise about 5 inches more, so about 10 inches off the ground should be enough clearance for it to easily reach the oil filter and the oil nut. And I started the motorcycle just for 3 to 5 minutes just to warm it up so the oil drains out easily. So I did that just now. I also put a little trunk on my motorcycle. You can see the trunk. It's a good storage trunk. It can store things in there. I can put a helmet and things like that. It's very easy. It has two latches. One is to open the box. It's aluminum box, got from Amazon. Second one is to take it off, and you can like take it in your house or take the box off very easily with the second key. So it's two keys, and it's very useful. So now I have two saddlebags and one storage box. All right, so what it takes to get the oil out is, you can see here underneath the oil, there's an oil filter that needs to come out. You need a small wrench like this. That'll work. And then the oil nut is down. I'll show you once I lift it up. So I'm going to lift the motorcycle up. This is a Vivor motorcycle lift. And actually how it works is, this is to push up, this is to release the jack, make it go down. So I put it down. I put a little ratchet strap just to make sure it stays on the motorcycle, stays on there. And then you can, when you push it, you see how it is lifting. You see. You see how it's lifting. So like that. It has a safety mechanism, so it doesn't drop all of a sudden on you. You see, that safety mechanism will not let it fall down that fast. So you are safe to work on it. You see, it's stable enough for it to work. There you go. So what I did is I raised it up and I pushed the pedal to release to make it go down a little bit. See, now you see it's locked in the bracket. It's not putting the weight on the hydraulic jack. It is a hydraulic jack. So it's taking the frame is taking the load, not the jack. So that is now safe. You can see motorcycle is well balanced. It has about 10 inches or so clearance. Now I can change the oil much easier. That's the nut right there. That is not the nut that you want to you see the other nuts here on the bottom. There's the oil filter, and the other nuts are not the right nut that you want. What you want is this nut, the nut that is protected by this little lip. See the little lip? That's the nut you want. And all you have to do is get a little wrench, just like that. Put a little wrench and open it, and that's it. And have a little pan for draining oil, and then you have to take the filter out as well. and that should do it. Okay, let's go for it. I'm using that for draining the oil. All right.